So mga lods, nandito pa rin kami sa bahay ng aking pinsan. So mamaya we have a little party. Ito ang aming celebrant, si Ante. Happy birthday to you. Anak man. Later, and then the kiddos are playing. Hi! Sus Maria. So, nilog kayong ilang nice kayo ilang house. Si Ante naglinis. Tapos ako nagkuan vlog.
Do you want to come to Berry Avenue with me? Sure. Follow me, Isa.
Beautiful. That's all.